Hi everyone. So today I will present you what is Datadog and what Datadog will bring to your organization to help you get observability in a better level than now. So actually, Datadog is a SaaS platform that helps you manage all of your data from your infrastructure, APN, logs, and many more in one single place. So as you can see in the dashboard, Datadog will give you all the metrics in just one single place like this. One, the SLO, average request error rate, the APM data, infrastructure metrics, or even the current logs that happening in just one single place. This will help your team to monitor all of those infrastructure, logs, and everything in just one single place. What this will bring to your team is you can point out what is the culprit, what is the problem, and what will be fixing to counter the error in way more faster and in just looking at one single page. Moving on, we also integrate with almost 800 integration built in by Datadog. So, as you can see, many technologies are supported by Datadog at the moment, like SAP, Akamai, all of those AWS services, GCP, Azure, and many more. This will help you to gain visibility from day one of the integration, and you can go straight through to monitor all those data that you're integrating with Datadog, and you can monitoring from the day one. And don't worry if you're having a plan to migrate into another tech stack. It might be already been supported by Datadog and you can gain the visibility in right here, right now. Moving on, we have this infrastructure host maps that you could see. It is showing the containers right now, and you can see it is showing the host level. And in the host level, you could filter it by the many text that you could uh, save it, or you can configure it in Datadog or in your infra. And what is the meaning of this color? It represents the metrics that we set here, like CPU utilization, memory, disk, and etc. We can go to the containers, and as you can see, we have like almost 700 containers, and we can switch up to the RSS memory metrics. And as you can see, this is color coded, and you can see from the red to the yellow about what is the capacity of the RRS memory that happen in each container right now. And also, you can slice dice all the container just using the text like the house map before. Just like if you want to, in this example, you already configure all the theme for the containers. So you can see that we have 219 mail containers, 89 security, and etc. etc. And you can see, and also if you want to dice this up into the what is running between these containers, you can use the short image and you can see that the mail is running fraud prevention API, email API, and extra. And you can do this in Datadog. What this feature help you is that you could gain visibility and slice dice all the containers and visualization in Datadog at no time, and you could just rely on Datadog to see whether the container itself is actually causing problem or it's just running fine at the moment. Yeah. So moving on into the service to the APM. So actually, from the before, we show you about the infrastructure level that the Datadog could gain the visibility. And at the moment, we are showing you the visibility of the application level. As you can see, we have this surface map that the surface itself is connected with everything. And as you can see, also we have this red and the green uh, color that actually represent if the surface is actually have some like alert that actually running at the moment or not. What does this surface map help you? It help you to gain visibility and know whether some services is connected to other service and have dependencies within other service. So you could just like if someone is new to your team and doesn't know what is service is depend on each other, you could just use Datadog to see the dependencies from surface to the surface. And we could just see like this one in the web store. We could just inspect it and we could see what is the web store actually depends on each other. From the upstream side, we could see that there is three services that sending requests to web store, and web store actually sending many 18 downstream service, as you can see. And yeah, we could see if the web store is actually having alert, but the downstream service is actually not having any error. And you could inspect it or you could view the service information. And at here we can see what the relate in the service, like you can see the logs, you can see the service pages, you could see the related traces that happening within this service. Like if you want to see the service map of the web store, yeah, as you can see, I've just go to the web store service page. And as you can see right here, we can see many metrics like request and error, or errors and latency. And also, we could see the time span that the underlying service that actually called by this web store service is taking time. And at here, we could see all the version that deployed, that how many errors that happen within every version, how many error rate, and etc. Also, we could see the dependencies of the web store. It's just like the service web that we see before, and you could see there's many services that actually helping the web store to run in the background. Yeah, there's some profiling to span, and what's interesting in here is these traces. traces is actually a single units that we call to locate every request. And if you want to see like this one, just click on this one. Yeah, we could see that there are some errors. There are some calling between each other, and this one horizontal line is called span. And as you can see, if I want to hover here, you can see that there is an error that if you want to hover it or we can click it, the tab that errors is actually moving and showing me what is the actual error that happened between the spans. And what is great about Datadog comparing to other products is that we could see any other metrics like infrastructure, like this metrics, what is happening between the other metrics that correlated within these traces. Like if you see here is about garbage collection and the infrastructure and what is the logs happen when we trigger those requests. We could see it just all in one place in this single field. So it is will speed up your finding if you want to find an issue within your environment, within your application, and it will help you to maximize the time that you spend to actually rather than you going back and forth to many products and you could just use Datadog to cover it all in one place. Moving on to the log, yeah, as you can see, Datadog is also a log platform that would monitor all your log also. And in this case, Datadog is very log module is very easy to use. Like if you could see, it's similar with the trace that we see before. And as you can see, these logs are so easy to use. And as you can see in the left side of the view, you could just filter it by if you want to only see the log that produced by the web store service, you could just click it like this, and it will show you all the logs that produced by the web service. And if you're troubleshooting something, we just want to see the error logs, we could just click the error. Yeah. So just by clicking, don't need any query language or etc. etc. You could just you already could see the error log that coming from the web store, and you could start your investigation right here right now. And if you want to see more detail about the error, you could just click this one log, and you can see all the information that happened and that provided by the logs. And as you can see, right now I'm seeing about 2000, 2000 or 3000 logs that happened in the last 15 minutes. And I don't know what is happening right now. Is it error sending SMS notification, registration failed, or etc. Datadog could pattern all these logs by just clicking this button, And as you can see, we already find out what is the highest produce log that by the web store that actually happened, and it is caused by the warning that the warning already initialized consent address error blah blah blah, and error sending SMS notification is also one of the top logs. And yeah, you could easily use this to speed up your investigation for the error. And also, Datadog is offering you to monitor all the logs without limit. So as you can see, by using the lifestyle, all the error is actually coming from the infrastructure to Datadog. In any case, without need to index it first for the first 15 minutes. So you could debug all the logs. You could see all the logs that produce in the first 15 minutes. So you could get a better grip on your cost control, so you don't have to spend much on Datadog itself. Lastly, I want to tell you about the alerting that could be done by Datadog. We also cover the standard metric threshold alert that if you want to set some metrics that when the metrics is coming to a certain threshold, it will be firing up. But we also give you other types of monitoring like changes, anomaly, outlier, or forecast that it is machine learning alert based. So, like this one forecast, it is typically used to monitor this. Like if we also constantly to write up the days, but we don't know when is the days will be full. And with forecast, we could be notified about okay, at the moment your days is 80%, and about in 8 hours or 10 hours you need to upgrade the space, or else your infrastructure will be full capacity and you can't write anything to that days. So yeah, I think that's all from me. If you guys has any question, feel free to hit me up. And that's all from me. Thank you.